Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing great today. Today is a wonderful day. Well, today was a wonderful day for me. Got some things done and decided to do a video. So, for this video, by the title, you will realize that for this video, I am doing my top 10 favorite Jamaican YouTubers. So, just a point to note, some of the YouTubers that I have listed as my top 10, they are not currently in Jamaica. Some of them are here, some of them are overseas, like back and forth, or some of them live overseas now. But at the end of the day, they're Jamaicans, and I still love them because whatever the creative content that they put out, or whatever it is that made me actually interested in their channel in the first place. So let's get straight into my list of 10 favorite Jamaican YouTubers. So my what I'm gonna do is based on what you're seeing right now, I have my YouTube channel up, and I'm going to just scroll through while I call the name of those favorite YouTubers. So my first one, it is Rushcam. So it was like recently that I started following Rushcam, and what I must say now, let me tell you, the first video I watched Rushcam was probably like this earlier this year. I think it was earlier this year, where he did, it was this mukbang. So when he did that mukbang with Petit Sue and Tanania and his Quiet Perry, when I watched it, he is the first thing that pulled me was that you don't normally see that many males doing YouTube videos, even doing YouTube overall and expressing themselves in that way. You do find other males out there that are YouTubers that they do other types of content, but not they don't really express themselves in this manner. And he puts out some really creative stuff, really interesting stuff. And the thing that pulled me, the fact that you don't find that many male YouTubers who express themselves through their platform, the YouTube platform, in this manner. And he pulled my eye when I was watching this one of the videos. There was the same seafood mukbang that he did with Tanina and Quiet Perry and Petite Soup. So he is like my one in my top 10 of my favorite Jamaican YouTubers. So my second one, it is Chef B. I'm gonna find Chef B channel. Uh, Chef B. What I normally follow Chef B for, what I normally go to her channel for, is hair related stuff. I know her from high school. Not that we're that friends in that sense, but I know her because of high school. I know her initially because of high school. Then it was afterwards that I found out about her YouTube channel, that she does hair makeup kind of stuff on her channel. So she has natural hair, my hair is natural, and she does a lot of tutorials on her channel, and she goes pretty simple with her styles, as in simple instructions, I mean, with her styles, the things you can pretty much catch on when you follow her instructions. So these are just some of the things that she has. She with a haul whenever they see the haul here. So she did them kind of something, even this quick and easy hairstyle for short awkward length hair and stuff like that. And even this one over here, so this one here, no, this is definition twist out. Sorry for the noisy background, guys. Weekly pass. So yeah, man, she always do some pretty simple stuff on her channel, things we can easily catch on, and I follow her because of the hair related stuff that she posts on her channel. So she is in my top 10. My third um one that I want to pull up, it is a family that I watch on YouTube. I don't know if I'm going to pronounce their name correctly. Hopefully I pronounce it properly. They are the Delavues. So the wife, she's Jamaican, and it was just a few years ago that she migrated to France. Her husband is French. They have a mixed family, or it's a biracial family because their children are biracial. She's currently pregnant, about to have her second child anytime soon. I started following her a few years ago, probably like what, year before last. Yeah, I think about year before last I started following her. That was when her first child. He was much younger at the time, and because they're so family oriented, it pulls me. And the other thing that pull me is because they're a biracial family. Like, you don't really see these things in plain sight every day. And when you can relate to a Jamaican and you see her putting out her videos, and you can just imagine how she's living in France, a totally different environment, and she puts out some pretty cool stuff, pretty cool content on her channel. And she speaks to her son in English, but the son speaks to his father in French. So it's pretty nice to see that the little son speaking both languages, English to mommy, and French to daddy. And I realized also that his mother speaks a little bit of French, probably like basic kind of French, with him as well. So I guess through his growth, while he's growing, when his vocabulary is building, it could also help her as a native English speaker to develop her French vocabulary. So that's pretty interesting right there. And they even did a photo shoot the other day, and see that the last video she put up was having contractions while on the street. So apparently she went out and she was having contractions while out on the road. And they did a maternal photo shoot the other day. Wait, oh, see it here, this one, or maternity photos. And trust me, the pictures, they're super pretty, like really cute. Just the clothes, the whole backdrop, everything just looks so nice. And on to my next YouTuber. It is General Comedy. So General Comedy, it is, they have the channel for comedy related stuff. And trust me, when I want to laugh, just check Janelle Comedy. Like legit, when I want to laugh, check Janelle Comedy. And the thing I realized since lately, let me start following them like earlier this year. And what they have is like a little serious thing, you don't want to call it, where they have the trick questions thing. So they go different areas of Jamaica and they ask persons out in the random public some really trick questions. They can seem tricky, but they can be pretty much interpreted as simple questions. But some of the time we overthink some questions, and that's how they appear to be tricky to us. So this is their channel. And even this, they did the Jamaican Road parody, the Old Town Road parody, and trust me, them are going to bag of things in this video. Just a little piece side.
Jamaican road that's full of potholes. Yeah, I'm walking down the road, talking on my phone. Feels so good that I'm in love. Yeah, I'm stepping like a thug, like Adam.
So that's pretty much it. The old town road parody, and trust me, you guys can check it out. But it's really cool. It's really funny. And when you want to laugh, just check General Comedy page. Like legit, when you want to laugh, just check General Comedy page. So, on to my next YouTuber. My next YouTuber, it is Trabas. So a lot of persons would be familiar with Trabas's page. I have been following Trabas from donkey years now, and person is supposed to be aware that Trabas and him wife separate now. I was watching them from long before they married, from when them apartment literally never have no much furniture, things like that. From them just a come up days, where them just a build them channel and stuff like that. And things happen and them separate. For a while, Travis did offer YouTube, not much now put up, no more content now, no video related content to his channel related to like him vlogs now put up, but he was doing music. So during the time where him channel they just almost I can say dead, him did a put out musical content but not his vlog related content. And then since lately he decided to resume his content, and trust me, Chavas is a whole clown by himself. Like, even though I find general comedy very fun, Trabas and Janelle are my two laughing stock them. So if one me want moments a joke and stuff like that, I can check Janelle and I can check Trabas. It's sad that in all the videos that were really funny, like the way back videos, they're not on his channel anymore. But for persons who are familiar with Trabas and know the kind of content we used to put out back then, would I know how funny his stuff were really funny back then. That's pretty much his channel right here. Start put out back some content since lately. So I haven't watched these last three right here, so now watch them three right this one. Alright, so on to my next one. It is Yardman Ethan. Lord God, one of them Ethan I got sit up for the year. So it just like literally since the year I start follow Ethan, right? So Ethan is a Jamaican. He went to Arden, and just recently I started following him. I met him on Facebook a few months back, and that's how he somewhat introduced himself and told me about his channel and stuff like that. Only if you realize, say, Ethan have a little crush. Not even little, because I don't even want to say this little, this very really big. From Shensia. And trust me, when I say Ethan live in a Shensia comment section, in pitch tent, in house, land, car, everything in a Shensia comment section for Instagram. And this video that right here, he went to an event some time ago and got the opportunity to do that exclusive interview with Shensia. So trust me, when I say Ethan is a whole thing by himself, like he puts out really good content, and when they say somebody will really push forget what them want, just check Ethan. Cause I remember when he like just started out and just a live in a Shensia comment section until him can literally say, yeah, him actually do an interview with his crush. So that there and then shows you that push until I get what you want. Big up yourself, Ethan. And my next on the list, it is Geo and Ken. So Geo and Ken, they are a young Jamaican couple, and I was following them when they just started out a few years ago. Things happened, them channel, I don't know if it got reported or whatever it was, the issue was, and them channel they just done for some time. But despite the issue that took place where the channel when the channel was down, they always put out great content. The latest are pranks, the latest are challenges, the latest are tags. They're always out. Like trust me, them always dip on par with them someday. And the way in which they portray themselves, they seem like really cool, really cool persons, and their content is always upbeat. Like you not find nothing boring on G and King channel. Nothing at all you gonna find boring on G and King channel. So if you want something modern, upbeat, just check G and Ken. You watching G and Ken channel. So that's just their channel right there. And my other one, it is keeping up with Mitty. So um the follow Mitty channel for a long time. And them time that she did live overseas, she would live somewhere in UK. I think I remember exactly where in the UK she did live. And she had her partner here in Jamaica. At the time when I started following her, she wasn't married, she never had a family. She had her partner here in Jamaica, but they were married and they never had a family. And she would post her stuff every now and then. The thing that pulled me to Mitty, some people them post stuff on YouTube and it just seems simple and cool, and there's nothing specific per se will pull you to them channel than just them being cool and simple. And just them being cool and simple is enough to pull her to them channel. And she was just this cool person, simple, put up her little nice stuff them with her sister and her friends and stuff like that when she was living in the UK. Now she is here in Jamaica, living full time here in Jamaica with her husband and her daughter. They got married recently, I think it was last year, and they now have a beautiful little daughter there, Amira J. And I've been following her right through. Now that she's living here in Jamaica, she still posts her videos, and they're just as cool and simple and nice. If you get what I mean by just being simple, like nothing specific, but drier than just her channel being herself, cool, simple, and nice. And my next person on my list, it is Newbie Fam TV. So Newbie Fam TV, they let me find our channel, sorry. NEW. So for Newbie Fam TV, initially they were the channel was called Future Coolest TV. So for this person, I don't remember how I initially got to her channel. If I remember correctly, somebody else channel she did comment on, and somebody start follow her one. I think of that. And she doesn't live in Jamaica anymore. She has left Jamaica from a child, but she has family here in Jamaica. Her dad is originally from Jamaica. Her mom is Guyanese, but she now lives in Canada. Her now husband, he was living in Jamaica, and every now and then she would be back and forth. Whenever she has holidays or vacation or whatever, she'd be here in Jamaica, spending time with her partner here in Jamaica. And now they're married. Now they have a daughter, and She just like really cool. Same like how I say Mitty just cool and nice. Same thing with this girl. Her name is Nisha. And I'm gonna tell her she just cool and nice. And the funny thing that I found out last year, we both share birthdays. Different years because she's older than me, but we are both same month and date. And she does have some really nice cool content. She's a very down to earth person, simple and nice. And now that she has a family, her husband is living with her in Canada now, and they have their daughter. Like really cool and just nice, family oriented kind of channel them have. Alrighty, so on to my very last person. I saved this person for last. She is, you can almost say she's my most favorite YouTuber, and that is Petite Sue. Been following Petite Sue for like oh so long now, like sorry about that. I want already come up on the laptop. Been following Petite Sue for like oh so long now, and she has two channels. She has her this one, the Petite Sue TV, and she has her other channel, which is her main channel that she does her makeup stuff and her hair reviews and all of that, and that channel. But the channel that I am more pulled to, it is this channel that is her vlog channel. For Petite Sue, she is here in Jamaica, and I start watch Petite Sue like I think she and Chabas are the longest me I watch on YouTube. But yeah, I think she and Chabas are the longest YouTubers me I watch. Yeah, I think so. Cause me watch Chabas like so long now. Probably like about 3 years thereabout or more. And now watch Swan channel, Petite Sue, like them whole heap of years then now. Petite Sue channel, she does some most of the times she's out and about. Whenever her husband is here in Jamaica, you see them go out and enjoy themselves. You know, some young people just don't born, you know, it's got a nice little vibe. I just see that. And she seems like a pretty nice person. I've never met her in person before, but the persona that she brings across through her channel, it pulls me, and I've been watching her from oh so long. I'm yet to get a bad vibe from her. So she she's a nice and cool YouTuber, like really nice. And her channel, she have her videos. She does stuff with her family. Every now and then she and her mother would have go out, her sister, stuff like that, and her other friends. And she do her little gym thing, and she was in the fitness, one of them fitness something there. What them call, what the correct name for that something there? I remember what the correct name. One of them fitness competition there where you don't model in your bikini, and you don't have people judge your first place, second place, third place, whatever, based on your posture and how your muscles carve out. All them got something there. And she started her journey on the whole exercise thing some months back, and then she surprised all her viewers when she entered the competition. She initially had her plan, but her viewers never knew why she was going so hard in the gym until the day that she surprised us all with her entering the competition. So that's my list of 10 favorite Jamaican YouTubers. So that is Rushcam, Ken, General Comedy, Travis, Yardman Ethan, Newbie Fam TV, Chef B, Keeping Up with Mitty, The Della Views, and Petite Sue TV. So that's pretty much it for me today, guys. And feel free to like and comment and join the family. And I'm trying my very best to stay motivated to find interesting content to post as often as I possibly can. See you in my next video, guys.